Hey everybody, welcome to the Agroforestry Academy channel. I'm Felipe and today I'm taking you to a walk on the woods. Right now I'm not really in the woods, this is just an open field. It used to be a forest. You can see back there the remains of the forest. Today I want to talk to you about something that people ask me a lot. And lots of people have pieces of land which they don't use, and they don't live there, they don't live off agriculture, but they have pieces of land and they dream of moving to the countryside at some point in their lives. And they often ask me, Felipe, what can I do in that land, something that's not going to demand too much work and that will improve my soil, that will protect the ecosystem there. And the answer to that is very, very simple. Just plant trees. Lots of trees. I think that's pretty obvious to most people, but we have this bad habit of thinking that trees need to be planted by seedlings, and producing seedlings is expensive and it takes a lot of time. Then when you plant a seedling, you need to take care of it because they're very, very sensitive. But we should be broadcasting seeds all around. Just collect seeds and broadcast them on your piece of land. Add to those tree seeds some legume seeds, fast growing legumes, whatever grows well in your region. Make sure you have at least 50 or 100 tree seeds per square meter of your piece of land. And obviously make sure that lots of those are fast growing trees, which will be over 2 meters tall in 1 year or so that you're gonna have a forest really quick, really fast. This is a pretty inexpensive way of doing something with your land while you're not using it. And then once you decide to go to the land and to start producing, you have a small forest that you can chop down and use it as mulch on your area. You don't have to take it all down. You're going to prune some trees, you're going to take down some other trees, and that's going to produce a nice and fertile soil for you. I gotta share this view with you. Check it out. This is beautiful. And so yeah, let's just plant trees. With your trees, you don't have to put only fast growing trees. Put fruit trees that you'd like to have. These things take a while. Some fruit trees will take 15 years to bear fruit. And lots of people, they stop planting those trees by seed, which is rather silly in my opinion. Plants like lychee, and there's the jabuticaba, which we have here in Brazil. And these are plants they're trees that will take at least 12 years to start bearing fruit. So people, they do, I don't remember the name of that propagation method in English, but that one that you wrap something around the stem and then it will take root and then you cut it out. Well, that's a very, very good method for making them bear fruit earlier. And I use it. Obviously, I plant lychees, cloned lychees. But I also plant them by seeds. I know they're gonna take 15 years to bear fruit, but I'm still young and I'm gonna have children, and grandchildren and everything. So it's the tree that grows directly from seed is much more robust, and it lives longer, and it's healthier than the ones that are cloned, that's for sure. And it's so cheap to propagate plants by seeds if you can just broadcast them around. So just broadcast seeds around, people. I hope you're enjoying this view. Check out that beautiful mountain range over there. So yeah, that's the first thing we have to do, broadcast seeds, everybody, and so that we have forests all around. We want forests because we want to prune forests, and we want to take trees down to produce wood and to produce good soil for ourselves. So yeah, I just wanted to share this thought with you today, and to share this view, which is amazing. This is my favorite part of the farm, for sure. You can see the forest down there. And you can see it on the other side. And you get to see this beautiful mountain range back there. So it's pretty cool. Alright guys, thank you for watching. And let's plant tree seeds. Get attached to producing seedlings, and we think things take too long to start producing. But, and I'm not saying that we shouldn't plant seedlings and we shouldn't do clones of fruit trees, but collecting seeds and planting seeds is just so cheap, so we cannot not do that. Alright, so yeah, let's collect lots and lots of seeds and let's just broadcast them around. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, do it. You can subscribe to our newsletter as well. The link is right below. Leave us your comments and I'll catch you in the next video. And remember, keep it pruned, guys. Keep it pruned.